In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to integrate IronPDF in a Blazor server app. Hey everyone, as I said, today we're going to learn how to integrate IronPDF in a Blazor server app. So first, make sure you install the IronPDF NuGet package in your Blazor server project. You can install it easily using the NuGet package manager. I've already done so, as you can see, so we're going to move on. Next, we're going to add a new Razor component in the Pages folder by right-clicking in the Solution Explorer. Then select Add Razor Component. Name it IronPDF Component, and then click Add. This component will handle the user input and PDF generation. In IronPDF Component, set up the page with a route and inject the IJS runtime for JavaScript interop. Use the IronPDF namespace for accessing the IronPDF functionalities. Create a simple form with a text area for HTML input and a button for the triggering of the PDF rendering process. In this code section, we first define an input HTML model class with HTML property to hold the input with the default HTML content. Then we initialize the input model for capturing HTML content from the form. In the submit HTML method, set the IronPDF license key and instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer to render the HTML as a PDF. Render the HTML input to a PDF document and save it with a specified file name. Use JavaScript interop to invoke the file downloader in the browser. Next, render the HTML into a PDF document and save it with a specified file name. And then use the JavaScript interop to invoke the file download in the browser. Now we move to the layout.cs HTML file. Here, we need to add this JavaScript code, and it facilitates the downloading of the generated PDF file from the Blazor server-side application in the browser's download folder. And finally, we'll update the navigation menu in the nav menu to include a link to the new IronPDF component. In href, pass the route name of the IronPDF component. In this case, it's IronPDF. So let's go ahead and run the application and navigate to the IronPDF page. We'll enter some HTML content and click the Render HTML button. And the HTML input will be rendered as a PDF and downloaded automatically after processing. And here you go. You have a pixel-perfect PDF generated with the desired content in the Blazor server app using IronPDF. And that's it. You've successfully integrated IronPDF into your Blazor app. Now you can enjoy generating PDFs directly from your Blazor component. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, we ask that you give us a like, click to subscribe if you'd like some more helpful tutorials from us.